Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Whatever time of day it happens to be where you are. I was setting the phone up, and I hope I did not initiate an emergency SOS. So we'll, I guess, see. My husband will be surprised. He's working in his audio studio, so I figure I'll just let it be. Anyway. So this is what I'm working on this morning. I'm not doing a great job of it. I'm adding some whites here to these flowers, trying to keep it loose. I tend to put a lot of paint on my florals. They take forever to dry. I don't really pay attention so much to, and it shows, I suppose, to the photo reference after a while. I just kind of let it go, trying to keep some things in mind. These guys back here need to be not as intense in color as the ones on the foreground in the pot here. I don't know how it is for you if you're a painter. There are some days that are good, and there are some days that are mediocre. So this is one of those days which I can't decide if it's going to be a good one or a mediocre one, and I may just stop down and give up. I don't know. So that's what's going on here today. You can hear me cleaning my brushes. I'm kind of obsessive about cleaning brushes, and that's probably not good. Comes from working with watercolor. I pretty much always kept my brushes pretty immaculate. And I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Immaculate does not necessarily blend the color in oil like it does in watercolor. And that's what's going on today. Hope you have a good day. Thanks so much for watching. I hope maybe you learned something. Maybe I just entertained you. And if not, maybe next time. Thanks a lot. Have a great day and keep practicing.